Hey, Caleb. So I've got a new endpoint over here, campaign extension, and let me just click on it to reset everything. And so we'll have no fields showing except an existing campaign. Let me go down and see if I can find a good one here. And so it loads the campaign data. So the question for you, what things do you believe it should display, or what things don't need to be displayed? Now the existing campaign drop down, obviously yes. Add campaign start date, well, we're not going to be changing that, so maybe we don't need it to be displayed, let alone an input. It wouldn't be an input. Do we need to display it? Add campaign end date, yes, that needs to be an input. Number of voters to target, I'm guessing that is not an input. Do we need to display it at all? Ad types, not an input. Do we need to display them? Payment type, again, we're not going to change it. Do we need to display it? And amount added, yes. So the ones that have to be input are the existing campaign and campaign end date and amount added. So far, everything else will be calculated. The question is, what information do we need to display for the user just so they understand exactly the campaign, what the characteristics of it are, whatever other things we might need there just for validation and information. They would not be inputs like this. They would just be informational fields. But what other fields here should we display other than the three we actually need to change? And double checking with you that's only the end date and the amount added that we need to be able to input.